Aquaba and found brand GC and pages so Mestral subscribe to my channel found some ya bell on so ube a notification any sun news and the to be open your beauty and as open your share GC and page hamidi ede adwa sechi Honorable Frank and not Dompre and our Okase now Honorable Nisema Okenya say a year right Honorable Aban Bagbin Speaker of Parliament and you may be a Koswa Papanani and Jibu Ukra. Now, Honorable say, and Yama, a Speaker of Parliament, Nenny and Jibu and say, MPs need your more Parliament House one, one, a okro mouth, one, your come. Honorable say, Parliament House on one. Say, assembly ever told you no more a discussion if I want to say, and break more Esha. Omu real crowd MPs nibi. At the Trump, at the Abba radio, so, and I said the Abatua Bontin, and the Sana Banasana sentiment phone so etia, or Montia CD, or will be saying that just or will make comments F1, and Yadia and Bois of my talent, and yes, Speaker of Parliament, right honorable Abba Banby, HSA, and P.C. Bois, and near Midfield, and one way of show Papa. Now, then, honorable Frank, and not on bread, or saying now, Bagana Muntia Jumedia, so I will need FM, I will rock a Siabuachi and I'll post this program. And a year a year questioner. Honorable Obigato Ablapa, a beside, and what His Excellency now down to nothing to whom some more point, a year Europe or President, another 2 kinds of Pesica at the bottom of Ubra. And this is going to be addressed and another flighter or rented the Equino or Poda was so, Equidare was so. You receive a clap my comment say, as Nancy shoot or plan yes on issue because if you're the accounts of another major so Nagana food is a wife is including ya and a year receive and who answer any PA or Parliament House a year honorable Okujato Ablapa could be a question a farms and another not going to know or two Sika or spending on a say almost fair to Janagana for Yentibia. Aqua who said the Parliament House a year honorable Frank. And not HSA. And some of the airports or Parliament House. Question and this minority from this side. Where you want into more how can they say, Nano and honorable Eddie Betujan or say, Speaker of Parliament and Simu MPs Nibia on Pekra because discussion be and I say, and Brady or more essay or Parliament House. MPs Nibia on one of your Trump, normally a better one, and I Ghana for this way, pass unnecessary comments if I'm on a say, and a year honorable Frank and not the pray a day at Suya.
The interpretation of our standard orders lies in the bush with the speaker. And Ramitia to force him. The speaker ruled him out. It is to force him believes that in a swore and he's on all fours. As some more kind of wing in a swore. He knows what to do because the speaker ruled him out. Speaker no your previous answer. He's the Speaker of Parliament, but he came from their stock. The Speaker himself ruled out to force him out. So it's not relevant. Because it is much ado about nothing.
And it's almost brand new year bia omunchen and I'm file a question to say okuje to black and pay omo said we file another agent question to the Minister for National Security say one run be year knowing. That is what you wait for. And only idea so much.
I don't know some years, but Bambi and really now say two man per medical friends and for CMU now to Ayampia as some are to force in Busa, you know. Speak out more money per a catcher and say as some are all Busan and Tarsum within the confines of our standing orders because there was a specific question with a specific subject matter. If you are introducing an extraneous element, a dear any related, and here to force is an older member of the House. Remember, with your own standing orders, ne can't pay fee. The busa question, the me busa question, in fact, now, a follow up question, it must be related to incident. If you go relate to be any related, the speaker ruled him out. And on himself, you're here and 1 year. They have to come properly. And I think that we can take it from there.
Okay. Now, Mimuso, Anope, Senya, Honorable Kudita Black, me, Yan, said, we file agent question to National Security Minister Amram Yanono. Meaning, do you know for a fact that Doma East in Rashebejani, Honorable Chum, Berma, one also file same Bia or Bar National Security Minister Bar, one back, Mampenida John Mahama, and so I couldn't you know, Who has a Senator?
But the admissibility of questions lies in the bosom of the speaker. Order 66, clear.
Okay.
Sir, speaker a war. He owns your standing orders and must speak to me. The speaker can decide that our question with me admit you won't even anything. If the speaker can be now again say only you want to challenge the speaker, you come by emotion. Until they know what to do. It means I will not jump the gun.
And in Bachon Chassia say yes. Filing question say ebia asem bisa na ye baako but say speaker begia e be man kwan say bia asem we betimi busa eno nso ye asem foforo sa na pese oche
exactly because what you have said do filing of the question is not the same as admissibility. It is a who file question now the two who suffer him say oh say yeah my file question. It is the speaker's discretion. The question will come to man as a means into and Nipo more Kasasem will radio so playing to the gallery and how the rules work and the fact that it is the speaker who interprets the rules. When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it. But to answer a specific question about Doma MP or Paul Chimbremano, meaning that we're filing any question like that. But on the majority side, we are not doing like your friend say. As a way I be to me, no. The chance near boom compound and we do our reflection. Here was a question we ever bore mine now. Yeah.
But sir, idea mobile support. I'm asking some mobile support because say finance minister Bamra Shebedwum. Na se sisi our catch Ghana for Mrashebedwe ni so okay. Well, asema ubu say yem fan say yes, ubu say ma Ghana for binom. But enyame na me wa anu yie no. Openi o wa anu yie no eye national security minister na ministry na so mbe yie ano. Ghana for no mu bi nso hia. Sa anu yie no. Support say ne kwan so me boa.
Bibi bia be boa oman yie yo. Ebunti na nsanfo eto abama me. Bunti na megidi ye se afoforo so omonkrofo to abama. But ye ba parliament so e say ti ase se ye won hihye ne mra wo hono mo. E say edi so. Sabi oba parliament wo ye won kunya ne bi we anim we bi we akire your first deputy speaker. So there are some rules of procedure. That's what I'm saying. We will respect the rules of procedure. Who file a question? So we need to say, who MP will 2 mean a do baby, and 2 mean the amount of the rights and privileges. It comes with responsibility. And the speaker who reports about Parliament, you know, not your band anyway, any speaker. Rules now speaker no ahwodin. Who file a question to recap about radio so about catch radio say Ghana way my file a question. Now every we ask the speaker cause a question now file a crown. The GDS sabin previous and tasu munti mandian to moi. And no then our catch Ghana phobium. Inti say me anonya butre he must live within the rules.
And Pacho rules no one share say na tie enti ti so o man nya enti say wa file a question no. Is it that same day? No file question and bia speaker. Obemu muaye mejitum minyintum mema kwan mema kwan and time be na bia. How does it really work in terms of
something, a certain expectations and certain impression in the minds of Ghanaians? That what file question there? Dolly do necessary speaker no ejitum. But so they are the said ya ko tu penny anymore. Esa wo train na wo ti openi na nu asam and so now they are no ye kwa about radio so. That is my view. And me just call ye nesa will be much better because your conclave they be adia ba kwa ono ka leadership but on penny for some bit bi. Adia ba kwa lead speaker. Odi hu ya on say. Empedu do na ye two man pambrika the parliament asam e bi asam kwa yen kan wi dey akoto radio so. Now, Parliament has some new radio soon ever coming. Time radio ebemuye adiano aba plenary. There is a public gallery. You know, the whole institutions in the Ghana now. We share Parliament in Kwandia 24 of your MP media for what or more report here. Inti AC nya abutene edu obuni di ma speaker because the speaker don't be question na tum. Into what file question? Speak and Jim to no one about Ghana for money, so file question. To what end?
But honorable, with all due respect, me